They told us, they said, take me to the king. Don't take me to the doctor. Because the doctor may say something wrong with me, may not be wrong with me. Don't take me to the lawyer because the lawyer might lose my case. Don't take me to my friend because they might let me down. But take me to the king. I ain't got much. But you take me there. You give me much. And see, as I go to the king, I know everything gonna be all right. See, some of y'all just think you here just for the singing, but it's just a setup for you getting your deliverance.